special race. And the race is on. Happy Boomer from the outside is Dragon May. On the further outside, James. Down on the inside, and Getty, Small Town Lady, Sharp Eye, and Andy's Rum is the early trailer. Dragon May followed by James in second. Down on the inside is Happy Boomer, Small Town Lady, and Getty running in fifth by the Sharp Eye, and Andy's Ram as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Dragon May by about 2 lengths followed by James. Happy Boomer is running by Daryl and getting fourth. And on the outside, Small Town Lady, Sharp Eye, and Andy's Ram still running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 900, Dragon May by about 2 lengths followed by James in second. 2 lengths corner back in third, Happy Boomer. Andy's Ram is racing on the outside and Gadi together with Sharp Eye. And Small Town Lady is now running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Dragon May still hanging to that 2 lengths lead. James, Happy Boomer, Andy's Ram is on the outside. Sharp Eye is coming also into the picture as they race the last 450. Dragon May, James on the outside. Happy Boomers running by the road. Andy's Ram also rushing up. Sharp Eye. James followed by Dragon May. And on the outside is Andy's Ram. James followed by Dragon May. Andy's Ram on the further outside. James followed by Andy's Ram. Dragon May by the road. James, Dragon May, Andy's Ram. And finally, James, Dragon May, Andy's Ram, Sharp Eye, Happy Boomer, and Getty, and Small Town Lady comes last.
8-5.